Today we're making egg noodles. We have 4 eggs. I whisked it already and then I keep whisking like this. So this is my first time doing it. Then I'm gonna add a little bit of sourdough, but first of all we're gonna do this one because the fluids of the eggs are running. But some people are not using the egg whites, but for me no, it's just I'm gonna put all them together. So here we just wanna whisk this egg together with the flour. So I use unbleached all-purpose flour or any flour that you can use. So this is so good. I will try this one, but we will see it come out. I'm gonna cook this one for dinner tonight, and see it start up to blend all together and then whisk together just like that. So the egg whites are running in the other side, but we can sort it out later. Okay. So this is a sourdough in the middle. I mix it together and whisk together just like that until the sourdough mix all together. Take note, this is my first time. I'm not a pro or anything. Then mix together. Consistency, and it's messy in the side. Don't worry about it. It's like a lava, guys. Then we're gonna mix with these things like this. So it's rolling time with the hand, and do like this, do like that. You can flip it together. Oh my god, the pork is right here. Struggle is real. I don't know which direction, but we'll make it through. This is for the beginners. You can do your own if you're a pro, and don't judge me. Okay. So it's Iggy, 2 cups of flour and 4 eggs only, okay? And I think I'm gonna make it that right. So here it is. It's not that perfect. So I don't have the plastic for the fruit, then I'm gonna just wrap it this one. Then we're gonna set aside for 2 hours. So it's up to you what sizes. It's like a ganache thing, but this is but it's like made from flour in eggs and a little bit of sourdough starter.
Now I divided.